Hi everyone, this is my special lecture series of Linux programming under my channel Adept to Teach. Myself, Dr. Ramandeep Kaur. I'll be covering the following contents in my lecture. Please subscribe my channel to receive the updates and click on the bell button for notifications. If you like the video, then consider commenting and sharing.
The second part of a regular expression is operators. So we have five types of operators: sequence, alternation, repetition, group, and save. So let's go with the first operator, that is the sequence operator. Sequence is whenever you are trying to match something within a sequence. That means one character specifically followed by a particular character, again followed by a particular character. So you are trying to match for a sequence. Whenever you have to look for a sequence, just give the words in sequential order and that's it. No type of operator is to be put in. So simply whatever you want to search, write that pattern within double quotes. Like if I have to match for a pattern dog, simply write it in double quotes dog. It will only search for these three characters as it is. So if I am looking for any match that the letter should start with A and it should end with B, and in between I should look for two characters. Dot searches for two characters. One dot searches for one character, second dot searches for second character. Then if I have to, let's say, match a number between 20 to 49. So I will put it like my first number should start from 2, my last number should end with 4. That means you have units place and you have tens place. At my tens place, either it should be 2 or it should be 4. So I am restricting my tens place between 2 to 4. That is what I am giving a range. So number has to match between 20 to 49. So 2 to 4, I have given a range for tens place. Then my units place should have 0 to 9. So here I am restricting my units place as 0 to 9. So whenever what type of matches it will give, 22, 25, 31, 39, any type of matches between 20 to 49. Then if I want to match any two digits, then first character should be a digit, so put it between 0 to 9. Second character should be a digit, again enclose it in square brackets and write 0 to 9. If I'm matching for a blank line, then you can write caret and dollar. Caret means beginning, dollar means end. And if nothing is enclosed in between, that means you're searching for a blank line. If you are searching for only one character line, that means there should be only one character, let's say A or B, and nothing else, not nothing preceding A and nothing succeeding A. So in that case, you can use first your caret operator, put a dot and a dollar sign. So caret means nothing before that, the starting should be only one character, and dollar at the end means the ending is also one character. So it will only look for those matches with one character in a particular line. If I want to search for two digits separated by a hyphen, then search for one digit, put a hyphen in between, search for second digit enclosed between your square brackets. That is your sequence operator. Next is your alternation operator or operator. So if you are searching for this or this, capitals or small, miss or miss, Mrs. or Mr. So you are looking for multiple matches, either this or this or this. So in that case, you can use alternation operator. You can write simple slash or simple pipe operator, or you can use a slash operator along with a pipe operator. It depends upon which type of grep you are using. If you are using simple grep, then probably you will have to write slash and pipe operator. If you are using grep E, then you will simply use a pipe operator. So example is Unix or Unix. So if I put a pipe operator, the system will match with capital Unix or it will match with small Unix. Third is my repetition operator. Whenever we have to use repetition operator, that has to be enclosed between your curly braces. Now again, depending upon what type of grep version we are using, either we are using simple expression or extended regular expression, then depending upon that, we have to use a slash. Whatever regular expression is placed before the slash will be repeated. Example, the first character is A, I have written 3, comma 5. That means it will match for at least 3 occurrences of A up till maximum 5 occurrences of B. It should match for how many repetitions at a time? So 3 minimum repetitions and 5 maximum repetitions. Likewise, in the second example, let's see B and A, then a slash 3, comma 5. Now, in this case, it will not look for BA. It will only look for one character at a time which is preceded by your slash. So it will look for A, which should be at least 3 to 5 times, but before a B you have put as a mandatory character. So how the files, what type of matches it will look for? B is a starting character. Now you have put a repetition value of A. So at least 3 times A, then at least 4 times A, and maximum it goes to 5 times A. Now what can be different kinds of repetitions that you can use? Now, if I write like this, slash in curly braces M and a slash, it will exactly look for M number of repetitions. So if let's say I put it here 3 or 2, it will only look for 2 repetitions or 3 repetitions. If I leave the second part blank after a comma, so if I write the, instead of writing a complete range, if I put M comma and a space, this means minimum M repetitions, maximum any number of repetitions. If I do not want to put a restriction of the minimum number of matching repetitions, but want to put a restriction on maximum number of matching repetitions, so I can leave the first part blank, put a comma, and give the upper limit. That means let's say the upper limit is 5. So it will start from 0 repetitions to up till 5 repetitions. Then there are other operators repetition, which will come very handy when we will match it. Like if you place an asterisk. So asterisk says matches the previous atom 0 or more times. If I put a plus, it will match the previous atom 1 or more times. So asterisk will also match in the absence of that particular atom, and plus will only match if the atom is present. So at least one match of that atom should be there. Question mark says matches previous atom 0 or 1 time. So either it is absent or the occurrence is only 1 time. So we can see a number of examples like I can put B, A and asterisk. So A asterisk means the either 0 occurrences of A or any number of occurrences. So it will even look for the match B and 1 occurrences and up till whatever number of occurrences are available. If I put B, then dot and asterisk, it will search for any character, and that any character can be repeated 0 or more times. So in the first case, the file started with B. In second case, the file maybe started from BA or BB or BC to BZ. Then repetitions of all the characters like B double A, B double B, B double C, B double D, and whatever. If I'm only looking for 0 or more characters, then I'll put a dot and followed by asterisk. If I put dot and plus 1, that means any character but at least one, and no whatever is the length of repetition, whatever is the length of characters. Then if I put 0 to 9 and question mark, then it will look for either no digit or at least one digit. That's so these are your examples of basic repetition operators that we have discussed. And next is a group operator. Group operator means now I do not want to search only for one character at a time, but I want to search for multiple characters or multiple repetitions. Then whatever I want to put as a group, I will enclose it in brackets. For example, here in this case, A, within the bracket I have put BC, then a slash, and I've written 3. That means BC should be repeated exactly 3 times. So it will match for the patterns A, BC, BC, BC. I'm now making another type of pattern. So my first word should be F, my last word should be G. In between, BC should be repeated 2 times. So my first pattern match will be F, BC, BC and G. Here my pattern matches. So this is my occurrence of one pattern. This pattern should be repeated 2 times. So first pattern will be F, B, C, B, C, G, then again F, B, C, B, C, G. This is the summary of meta characters that we can use if I am looking for one character, or I'm looking for only alphabets, if I'm looking for zero or more characters, if I'm looking for zero or one preceding characters. Likewise, this is the summary of whatever we have just discussed in the types of operators.